In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to fix Microsoft Defender SmartScreen prevented an unrecognized app from starting. Let's get started. Right click on Start menu, click on Settings. In left pane, click on Privacy and Security. Click on Windows Security. Here you will find App and Browser Control. Click on App and Browser Control. Under reputation-based protection, you will find a setting, reputation-based protection settings. Click on it. Here you have to disable some options. First, check apps and files. Just turn it off. Click on yes. Smart Screen for Microsoft Edge. Turn it off. Potentially unwanted app blocking. Turn it off. Click on yes. Smart Screen for Microsoft Store apps. Turn it off. You should not turn off these settings for permanently. You can do it temporarily to run particular app which you badly needed to run.